Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create or make a border in Microsoft Word. So first things first, you need to make sure that you already opened your Microsoft Word right here. So how do we add or create a border in Microsoft Word? So the first thing you need to select is the Design tab that's beside the Draw. On this tab, you'll see several options for the design. Now, how do you add page borders? On the right side, there's an option for you to select page borders. Just select that one, and on this part right here, borders and shading, you will be able to modify or personalize your border. So you need to select a specific style that you like. You can also select right here on the setting part. There's a box, shadow, if you like, a 3D border, a custom border. But let's try to create one under box type. So let's select a specific style as well. So let's try to use this one. You can also select a specific color if you like. And also the size, the width of the specific border. And then you can also select an art if you like. Just select an art right here. Let's try to select this one. I think this is an ice cream. And after that one, after selecting those things, just click OK. And there, you will be able to create a border in Microsoft Word. I hope this video helped you. See you on my next video. Bye for now.